In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start using Sendwave. By the end, you'll feel confident setting up the app and sending your first transfer safely and smoothly. First, download the Sendwave app from your device's app store. Search for the official app, check that the developer name looks right, and glance at recent reviews to confirm you've got the genuine version. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the download and initial setup go quickly. When you open the app for the first time, allow only the permissions you're comfortable with. You can always adjust them later. Next, create an account. The app will guide you through selecting your country of residence and entering your contact details. Choose a strong passcode or security method to protect your account. Take a moment to read any prompts about fees, limits, or regional availability so you understand how the service works where you are. Now verify your account. Sendwave typically sends a short code to your phone or email. Enter that code to confirm it's really you. Depending on your location and how much you plan to send, you may be asked to provide identity information. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, ensuring your details match your official documents. This step helps keep your transfers secure and compliant with regulations. After that, add your payment method. You can usually link a debit card or connect a bank account. Enter your details carefully and double-check every digit. Some banks might send a confirmation or show a small temporary charge. That's normal for verification. Using a card or account in your own name helps avoid delays. Choose the country you're sending to. You'll see the current exchange rate and any fees before you proceed. If multiple delivery options are available, like mobile wallet, bank deposit, or cash pickup, select the one that works best for your recipient. The app will show an estimated delivery time so you know what to expect. Add your receiver's details. Enter their full name exactly as it appears on their bank or mobile wallet, plus any required account or phone numbers. Accuracy matters here. A single typo can slow things down. If you plan to send money regularly, you can save the recipient so it's faster next time. Finally, send money. Type in the amount, review the summary carefully, and confirm. The app will show a confirmation screen and a receipt. Keep that confirmation until the recipient gets the funds. If anything looks off, cancel before confirming and fix the details. That's it. Your Sendwave setup is complete, and you're ready to send with confidence.